Welcome back, everyone. Today we're talking about something very important to each and every one of your YouTube videos. And this isn't just now when you're starting off. This will be years from now. If you're creating videos 10 years from now, I promise you this will be something you should be really looking at. And I'm going to tell you how to fix it. The first 30 seconds. The first 30 seconds of your videos are the most important 30 seconds of the whole 10, 20, 40-minute video. You have to grab someone's attention, and you have to hold that attention. How do you grab their attention? With your title and your thumbnail. Now they clicked on your video, and you got to tell them what this video is all about within the first 10 seconds, I would say, but they really focus on the first 30 seconds because that's where you get a majority of the people that just click off. Whether they just don't like you, which a lot of people will. Some people find my voice amazing. Some people find it annoying. And so I'm sure a lot of people click off from that. Maybe they don't like your opening picture or your video or whatever's going on. Maybe something about that rubbed them the wrong way. So you have to make that the best 30 seconds of your video to keep their attention so they'll watch the rest. One of the first things you do, and one of the best tips, is make sure you don't have some long intro. There's a few people that could do it, but they already have massive audiences. It was all the trend to have like a premiere for every video, like some graphic thing that showed your logo and some garbage like that. That was a big thing back around 2014, 15. When I started getting into making videos, 2016, 2017, people were already going, hey, these are hurting our channels. We need to quit doing them. I had an intro in the very beginning and got rid of it. So I just went straight into the nut and bolts of what you're going to get. You know, if you watch any World According to Briggs videos, I might have a quick little joke, but within about 10 to 20 seconds, I am telling you what the video is all about, okay? I have a little long-winded explanation on some of them, but for the most part, you will get an explanation of what you're about to witness on this video. That is so terribly important. You jump over to any one of my videos and you're going to see what it looks like. Now, the first thing is, let's take a look at countries that are kicking out immigrants in 2025. It's a video I put up the other day. It's not a video that was designed to keep people watching the whole thing. The focus of that and the subject matter is to get people to click on the video. This video got me a ton of subscribers. A lot of my longtime subscribers didn't really dig it. It's not their thing, and that's understandable. But you have to think of every single one of your videos as about 80% of the people watching your video have never seen your videos before. And if you just try and cater to your subscribers only, which you should to a degree, but if you just take their advice and do what they're asking you to do, your channel's going to fail and you're going to be sitting there with 3,000 people forever that love your channel, okay? So keep that in mind. So this video was there to shock people with the title, and people did get shocked and they clicked on it. After about 30 seconds, about 60% of people, well, actually better than that, 72% of the people are still watching this video after 30 seconds. I'm usually somewhere around 75 to 79. That's my normal within 30 seconds. And that's a pretty good number. Anyone that's over 80, they're doing some magic, okay? Most people, or a lot of people, will drop off of your video within the first 30 seconds. So you have to give them what they came for. Tell them what's coming, but also tell them, give them, occasionally I'll do something like this. By the end of this video, you'll be surprised, okay? That'll keep them wondering, well, what's going to surprise me? You have to have little sentences in there, little psychological tricks to keep them watching through the first 30 seconds and beyond. You know, if you could say something like that, you will see that your average view duration will jump up. This video we're looking at right here, the average percentage viewed is about 40.3%, okay? That's not my best stuff. Normally I'm around 60%, okay? So don't ever think they're going to watch the whole thing. You got to remember, you're dealing with people that just clicked on you by accident. You're dealing with people that just wanted to see what it's all about and clicked off. If you could get it around 60 to 70% in the beginning, you're doing good. And how do you do it? Like I said, make that the best 30 seconds of the video. It's the most important. My son edits my videos. My videos are like 20 minutes to 30 minutes. At least that's where I try and get them. A lot of times they fall around 15 minutes. He'll edit. Let's say he's editing a video for 5 hours, 4 hours, or whatever. Let's say it's 5 hours. 2 of the hours, are probably devoted to the first 30 seconds. We try and make that the best we can, okay? Sometimes if we're in a hurry or something like that, it might not be the best, but we try and make it the best 30 seconds. Do that, and you will see a difference in your videos, or you'll see a difference in your channel with growth and everything else like that. Because once YouTube sees people are sticking with this video after 30 seconds, that's another indicator to the algorithm that, hey, people are getting something out of this video. Let's show it to more people. It's that simple. See you guys tomorrow.